So you've just got your new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus set up and ready, but you've still got all your photos, videos, apps, contacts, messages on your old Samsung. Well, no worries. I'm here to show you exactly how to transfer all those data to your new S25 without having to reset it. All you have to do is to make sure that you have the Smart Switch app on both of your devices, which is, by the way, pre-installed on Samsung. If you don't find it, just go ahead, download or install it from Play Store. Now open up Samsung Smart Switch app on both of your devices. On your old device, tap on Send from this phone, and on your new device, tap on Receive on this phone. On your new device, select Galaxy or Android. Now if you have a strong network, a little amount of data that you want to transfer, you can go with the wireless transfer. Now, if you're going wireless, just make sure both of your devices are using the same Wi-Fi network. Just tap on Connect. But if you have a huge amount of data, you can use a cable transfer and use a Type-C to C or USB to C data transfer cable. You can also use a converter if you want. For this video, we're going with the cable transfer. I'm tapping on cable on both of our devices. And as prompted, now I'm going to connect these devices with a Type-C to C cable that's available to me. When they're properly connected, you will get this pop-up on your old device. Just tap on Connect. If you were using Wi-Fi, you will end up in this same section. From here, you can choose to transfer literally everything, just accounts, calls, contacts, and messages, or you can just go with Custom. And here you also can see the amount of data to be transferred and amount of time it will take for the transfer process. Just press Next. Now from here, you can select the items that will be transferred from your old device to your new ones. In App section, if you tap on this arrow, from here you can select only those apps that you want to transfer from your old device to your new S25. And if you don't want to transfer all your photos or videos, just like the app, you can also manually select which photos, videos, even documents you want to transfer. And when you're done selecting, just scroll down till the end of this section and tap on Transfer. If you're transferring a secure folder as well from your old device, just enter the PIN. If you're getting this prompt, that means some apps' data will not be transferred. Only those apps will be transferred to your new device, like WhatsApp. If you're okay with that, press Next, and the transfer process will begin. You gotta just wait patiently to the transfer process to be completed. Whether you are using a Wi-Fi or a cable transfer, just make sure the devices are connected all the time. When you get this prompt on your old device, that means the transfer process is complete. You can press Done, and if you want, you can just disconnect the device. On your new device, if you go to the home screen, you will see all your selected contents and data is already transferred from your old device to the new one. And simply, that's how you can transfer all data from your old Samsung to your new Galaxy S25. Thanks for watching.